Hi, this module has been developed by Tobias Consulting Private Limited, a trusted Odoo solution provider and specialized in Odoo implementation, customization, integration, mobile application, and business automation solutions. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Odoo stock reservation and stock reservation with lot modules. Here we have the module which we are going to represent today. We will walk through the complete workflow and understand how this module can improve inventory control and stock management in Odoo. Let's get started with the demo. We have two modules, stock reservation module and lot serial number reservation extension. First, we will cover the stock reservation module, simple process. We have the product configuration. Let's go to the product under the cells, products. Now here we can take one of the product. Here we have the conference chair. We have two variants for that: track inventory by quantity, on-hand quantity 48, and here we have on-hand quantity 18 and 30 for the conference chair. Let's go and create the quotation. First, we will create the quotation, take the product chair. We have already conference chair. We will select the steel, and here we can select the ink quantity will be reserved and confirm. As soon as we add here a quantity reserve and confirm, here we have also one more most important feature: apply stock reservation. If you confirm delivery will be generated, that will be the Odoo default flow will work fine. If you wish to apply the stock reservation, you can click here apply stock reservation. The button will be visible, create stock reservation on the top, and smart button also available for the reserved stock. Let's create the stock reservation before confirming sales order. When we create the stock reservation, wizard will be open here. You can add the responsible person who will receive the notification for the stock reservation. Here, if you wish to change the source location, you can also select here. If you have using the send goods in output and then deliver 2 steps, or pack goods, send goods in output and then deliver 3 steps, for on outgoing shipments in the warehouse configuration, you can also set that your desired location for the reservation stock. So that option is available on the locations. We will see here we have the change source location for reservation mode. If you wish to change the location, let's change to dispatch zone. So in this case, you can also change the location if you wish to select the another location. Now here for the sell order line, we need to be select here all the sell order line, and we can add here the available quantity. Currently there is no available quantity available. Here we have the reservation quantity. We can also make it the reservation quantity 8. When we create the reservation, it will be also updated. This mail is sent and keep as a check as a history under the chatter. As well on the sales order, the stock reservation tab is available. It will show 8 is demand and still it is waiting, it is not available in the stock. So as soon as we receive the product, first we will cancel the stock reservation. That stock will be reserved for the sales order, and then we can proceed with the delivery. When we go to the inventory, under the inventory we have the separate menu for the reserved product. Here we can review all the reserved product. Still it is waiting. When we open, we can review it here. It is waiting stage. Means still it is reserved. Let's go to the cells. When you receive the product, after this, what you have to do, you have to first cancel the stock reservation. Once it is cancelled, the product is available. You can confirm it and delivery will be generated with the Odoo default way. Here we have validate button, just validate and confirm the delivery. Hope you understand the flow. Now we will go ahead with the lot wise or serial number wise reservation. We will see how this app solves real warehouse reservation challenges in Odoo. When you have the multiple orders that are consumed the same stock before reservation. After reservation, it will be keep that stock and reserved in the system for visibility of all the department, and this ensure the stock is locked for confirmed order. Stock gets released back automatically when you cancel the reservation. Now here we have another option. We will create the quotation with the lot wise. Let's select here. We have add a product option. Here we will select the product cable management. Cable management box A. We can also select here the quantity. Like here I will select the 5 quantity. Now here we have the another product. We will take the normal product also at the same time. We have the chair under the conference chair. Let's select the aluminium. We will select the aluminium chair to quantity and confirm. We have already available now two of the sales order line and we want to apply the stock reservation. We wish to apply the stock reservation for cable management lot wise and for the conference chair. Let's see this cable management. It must be track inventory by lot wise. Then you can keep this reservation lot wise. So we already select here track inventory lot wise. Let's go ahead and create the stock reservation. When we click on create stock reservation, we can also select here email notification if we wish, otherwise it's optional. We can select here the other than the stock location. If any reservation stock location is different, you can select that stock reservation location. Like here we have the dispatch zone. If you wish to populate this line automatically, we have another extended module is available where you can use it. Here we will select the lot which we wish to reserve. Here we want to reserve full quantity 5, so we will add here the reserve quantity. And yes, for the conference chair, it's not a lot 5, so we will keep it null. And here we will make the reservation for the 2. Let's create the reservation. One more thing is that if you are using the lot-wise reservation and you select the quantity, insufficient quantity, like here we have the cable management box A and here we have the lot and we select here the insufficient quantity, then it will also throw the warning message. So for this also we have the extended module. If not with insufficient quantity will give you the error message or warning, so you can use that extended modules. Now here we have already available. This is the result. Email is sent. Reservation stock is generated here. The record is available and lot is already linked on this reserved stock form view. Now, whenever the stock is available, we can cancel this reservation. Once we cancel the reservation, under the reporting reservation stock menu, it will also update it. First, we will cancel the reservation and then we will confirm. Before confirming the reservation, before confirm the sell order, now we will receive the validation error. So first, we need to first cancel the stock reservation. As soon as we cancel, and we will confirm the sales order. Let's review under the inventory reporting. We have already the menu stock reservation. Now we can review it here. Only for this stock, it is already reserved, other is already cancelled. By this way, you can reduce the multiple sell order which is confirmed without the reserve stock. If you wish to, before confirming the sell order, reserve the stock for particular customer, you can use these options which is available. As well, we have for the stock reservation other supporting modules available you can use if you require. If you wish to auto-populate the line on the wizard stock reservation, you can use this module. If you wish to cancel stock reservation, enhance this feature, you can also use, there is the automatic also available, automatic stock reservation, cancel and confirmation. So that already available some of the extended modules. If you wish, you can review it and you can purchase it from the Odoo apps. Thank you for watching, and if you have any query or if you require the live demonstration or need customization, implementation support, or would like to assist with your Odoo project, please feel free to contact us. Contact at probius.com. Thank you and have a great day.